Hello there, we're going to go through the alternating bent over row to windmill. This is a great option if you want to make your rows harder, but you don't have the weights to make it heavier. So we'll take a bent over row position, bum backwards, leaning forwards, and then grip with one arm for the alternating version. So row as you would do normally, elbow comes behind you and rowing towards the hips. Then we twist the torso, get the weight above us, and press to the ceiling. This puts a bit of pressure on the shoulder blade and really works the obliques and that spinal mobility. Then bring the weight down, under control, lower, switch arms, row, twist, and press, down, lower under control, row, twist, and press. So go for that for the number of reps prescribed in your program.